Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Google Meets. It's very popular in the US. It's owned by Google, so of course it's going to be popular. So what we do is I'm going to be talking about how to make your own meeting and also how to like join a meeting. Basically, this is usually used for classes like in high school. So what you do is you can click on New Meeting and start an instant meeting or create a meeting for later. Creates a meeting for later means that it creates a link for you, but let's try this one. So you can copy it and paste it, and you can like join it or like leave it. It's up to you. You can schedule in Google Calendar and put it in the Google Calendar, but today I'm just gonna be making a instant meeting for people. So we clicked here and it will ask me to like turn on my camera, which you will see me in a few seconds. Yeah, so you guys see me. You guys see me. So this is how you open it. You click here, and this is where you can see the people who are in the meets, and also you can see the chat here. Like people will chat, and then you will see them. Also, you can do some interactive things like live streaming, recording. Like you can record your lecture if you're trying to like do it for a class. You can like host controls. Like you can do like a poll. You can do like something else. There's a lot of like things that you can do. You can share your screen. You can let people share screen. So to share screen, you can present now, and to send a reaction you can click on there. You can raise hand, you can put subtitles, which when you're talking it will automatically save. So let's try it. Hey guys, welcome to a rainy video. In this video I'm going to be talking about how you can make, so see it's like it automatically makes it. So you see it's like yeah, it makes it. But you can turn off your camera, you can turn off your microphone so easily, and you can leave it. And after you leave it, you can rejoin if you want, but it's up to you. But I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna go to Google Meets, go back to Google Meets, and how to join a meeting. So since you guys are like getting into school and learning how to do it, so your teacher will send you a code or a link. So let's say there's a code, you write it, and then you join it. That's how it works, guys. That's basically it. Also, you guys have to make sure that you're in your school email to join. Let's say that I'm in my other email, and I'm only invited from that email. I need to join, and I just put the code in, and it will automatically join, and you will see the same interface. Again, it's really easy, guys. You can check your settings. You can check your audio settings to make sure that you're in the right microphone. Also, the speakers are right, so you can hear your teacher. Also, the camera is right, as you guys see me, and the general thing is right. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. However, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment and I will be answering them, and I will be trying to help them. So again, you click on new meeting if you want to meet it, or you can just download the Google Meets application if you want. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.